What if I told you that a few simple changes could save you thousands of dollars and transform your entire financial future? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. Most people unknowingly bleed money every single day. Stick with me for the next 12 minutes, and I promise you'll discover the money-saving hacks you wish you knew years ago. And trust me, you don't want to miss the last one. It's a game changer. Let's dive in. Part 1, The Awakening Hack 1, Automate Your Savings. Let's start with something deceptively simple, yet incredibly powerful: automation. Most people try to save whatever is left after spending, but let's flip the script. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account the moment your paycheck hits. Even $50 a week adds up to $2,600 a year. That's a vacation or an emergency fund waiting to save the day. Pro tip: rename your savings account something like Dream Home or Vacation Fund. Why? Because psychology matters. What would you call yours? Comment below. And no, Impulse Shopping Rescue Fund doesn't count. Hack 2, Master the 30-day rule. Here's a question. How many times have you bought something on a whim only to regret it later? Enter the 30-day rule. Anytime you're tempted to splurge on something non-essential, wait 30 days. 9 times out of 10, you'll realize you didn't actually need it. Imagine how many impulse purchases you've made just this year. What could you have done with that money instead? Don't let short-term desires rob you of long-term goals. Speaking of long-term goals, let's tackle a sneaky expense you probably overlook. Hack 3, Negotiate like a pro. Here's a secret the wealthiest people know. Almost everything is negotiable, from cable bills to credit card interest rates. All you have to do is ask. A 5-minute phone call could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Think of it this way: every dollar you save is a dollar you've earned without working an extra minute. Nervous about negotiating? Practice this line. I've been a loyal customer and I'm wondering if there are any discounts or promotions available. Simple, polite, and surprisingly effective. But what about the money you don't even realize you're wasting? Let's talk about that next. Hack 4, Audit your subscriptions. How many streaming services do you really need? If you're like most people, you're paying for subscriptions you barely use. Take 15 minutes this weekend to audit your accounts. Cancel what you don't need and redirect that money toward your savings. Over a year, those $10 and $15 subscriptions add up fast. Remember, every dollar has a job. Make sure it's working for you, not against you. And hey, if you're paying for a gym membership but haven't seen the inside of one since last New Year's resolutions, well, you know what to do. Hack 5, Buy in bulk but smartly. Here's where we get strategic. Buying in bulk can save you a fortune on essentials like toilet paper, rice, or cleaning supplies. But be careful, bulk isn't a deal if it leads to waste. Stick to non-perishables or items you know you'll use. Bonus tip: team up with a friend or family member to split bulk items. Double the savings, half the clutter. Now let's shift gears to something exciting: how to make your money grow. Hack 6, Invest in quality, not quantity. This one's all about mindset. Cheap often costs more in the long run. Instead of buying fast fashion or low-quality gadgets that break down, invest in durable, high-quality alternatives. It might feel counterintuitive to spend more upfront, but over time, you'll save big on replacements. Plus, doesn't it feel good to own something that lasts? But what if I told you there's a way to save money while literally doing nothing? Let me explain. Hack 7, Use cashback apps and credit card rewards. Imagine getting paid just for spending money on things you'd buy anyway. Cashback apps like Rakuten or credit card rewards can put hundreds back in your pocket annually. Here's a challenge. Check your credit card benefits today. You might be leaving free travel points or cashback rewards on the table. Why not let your spending work for you? Hack 8, Embrace the 24-hour spending freeze. Here's a powerful psychological hack. Anytime you feel the urge to splurge, implement a 24-hour pause. During that time, think about whether the purchase aligns with your financial goals. You'll be amazed at how often the urge fades. This one habit alone can save you thousands over the years. Unless it's toilet paper, let's not overthink that one. Hack 9, Harness the power of side hustles. Here's a mindset shift. Saving is great, but earning more is even better. Consider starting a side hustle that aligns with your skills or passions. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or teaching online, the extra income can accelerate your financial goals. Imagine what just an extra $500 a month could do for your savings. And now, for the ultimate hack that ties everything together. Hack 10. Adopt the pay yourself first principle. Before you pay any bills or spend a dime, set aside a percentage of your income for savings and investments. This single habit is the foundation of wealth building. It's like telling your money who's boss. Want to know the magic percentage? Start with 10% and increase as you can. Remember, your future self will thank you. Conclusion. Now, here's the big question. Which of these hacks will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And remember, saving money isn't just about cutting costs. It's about creating freedom, security, and the lifestyle you deserve. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with someone who could use these hacks. And for more practical, actionable tips to help you achieve financial freedom, subscribe to Moneyment and turn on notifications. Your journey to a wealthier, stress-free life starts here. See you in the next video.